There's two modes of thinking that every business owner or coach or mentor need, and it's deductive thinking or inductive thinking. Now, deductive thinking is when we're drilling down into the details. It's solving the problems that is, and figuring out where did the pieces go wrong, or how do they fit together, and analyzing. It's a very analytical mindset. And that's a massive strength for anybody in any kind of management or leadership position. And it's what you tap into to help you understand complex problems and find simple solutions to them. Now, inductive thinking, which is less often brought to life, is the thinking that allows you to create. It's not about solving the challenges that is, but it's about inventing new challenges, new ideas, new things that doesn't even exist yet. Now, we're going through massively changing times. And when it comes to how businesses can successfully pivot online in 2020, unfortunately, what most people are doing is approaching that problem with deductive thinking, believing it's a problem they need to solve deductively, where they're looking at the parts and looking at how do I recreate that, or how do I replicate that, or how do I logistically manage this with the limitation that exists right now, as opposed to seeing it as an inductive opportunity to reinvent their business, rethink their products, reconnect with their market in new ways, and look for new opportunities rather than trying to rework what exists right now. They're looking at what doesn't exist yet and how do I create that. Now, I know that that's easier said than done to be able to tap into that inductive mode when so much of your day-to-day, especially right now, is going to be piled up with problems that need to be solved deductively. I totally get it's easier said than done, which is why we're not just going to say it. We're going to do a 3-day virtual workshop on it so that we can help you step into the space of thinking inductively about your business. How long have you been wanting to be able to create that space for yourself to work on your business instead of in it? And how long you've been putting off your long-term vision to solve short-term problems? And how long do you want to keep doing that? If anything, now is the time. If there's ever been a time in history, now is the time to explore new opportunities that exist in every industry right now for the person who's got the first mover advantage. And that's what this workshop is designed to help you achieve. It's called How to Pivot Online in 2020. It's a 3-day, fully immersive workshop where we're not only talking the strategy, we're translating it immediately into action, and not only that, tailoring that action to your specific business so that by the end of the training, you're walking away with plans and actions and steps you can start taking right now to create results in your business. So if you'd love to find out more about that, I'd love for you to click the button below, meet me on the other side. I'll tell you a little bit more about exactly what we'll explore together and how it could be one of the best, smartest, and most profitable decisions that you can make today with the highest return and lowest risk. Because the only risk you're taking is to click on that button now and see how it could help your business.